Yan na. Ay, kinuha. Ano, nawala.
Wala?
Baka ginula nila.
First five.
First five on Ateneo. We're live on the Facebook page. Ang basketballista, it's Ateneo against Adamson. UAP category. Ay basketballista. And our official referee for tonight, it's your referee Mike and referee Ram.
Hindi, naman tayo. Tayo na muto sa pinuusapan namin.
Taktin tayo sir, taktin tayo. First five on natin tayo. Jackson, Santos, Busalpa, Primo, and Diala. First five on Adamson, Rabuya. Manzano, Lee. And Bermudez. Ball game! First game, it's Ateneo against Adamson. First position of Ateneo. Busalpa drive, short. Rebound on Santos. Back to Jackson. Jackson, open jump. Let me try. Too strong. Rebound again, Busalpa. 14 seconds sa clock. Primo, Sergeant Primo, short. It's Adamson ball. It's Adamson. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Now Bermudez. Raboya, bang! Raboya. Easy money for Raboya. Now Sergeant Primo to Busalpa, back to Sergeant Primo, looking for Diala. Carried by Manzano, 14 to shoot. Diala, roll, twirl, Diala again, intercept Santos, nice pass down sa Busalpa outside. Oh, what a move, kami pa ang Busalpa. It's 2-all. Now Sturgari. Pass to Lee. Open jump by Lee. Bang! Bang on Lee. Foul on Santos. First on Santos. First team foul against Adamson on Ateneo. It's 5 against 2. 3-point lead now on Adamson. Now 6-2. Sergeant Primo. Looking for Jackson. Cardinal Bailey. Looking for Sergeant Primo. 14 to shoot. Primo in and out. Top. Rebound on Raboya. It's Manzano. 1-1. Manzano coast to coast. Nice defense by Santos. Top. Lee again. Lee. Short. Rebound on Jackson. Jackson to Diala. Top. Bermudez is there. Bermudez. Drive. Coast to coast by Bermudez. Short. Top. Rebound again by Lee. Lee outside. Now Santos. It's 3-2. Santos. Strong move. Oh, Santos. Now 4-6. 2-point lead on Adamson. Now Manzano. Manzano looking for Levy. It's a ball. 11 to shoot. It's 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Manzano. Nice move. Manzano escapes. 6 above. Manzano again. It's rolling violation on Manzano. Nice defense against Ateneo. Now Sergeant Primo looking for Busalpa. Yes on Busalpa. Now it's all 6. It's our first deadlock of the game. Ateneo against Adamson. Now Gary. Looking for Tapayan, intercepted again by Santos. It's 4-on-3, 3-on-1. Action, Jackson, left on the top, too strong. Musalpa, in and out again. Jackson, that is foul. Foul on number 2 on Gary. First on Gary. First team foul on Adamson. It's 6-all. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Now 7-6 is 1 point dito natin na yun. Now 8-point lead. 2-point lead on natin na yun. 8-6. It's a 4-0 run coming from Ateneo. Now Gary. 1-3. Short tap by Raboya. Good ball. 14 to shoot. Side step, Manzano. Oh! What a Euro step coming, Manzano. Now 8-all. Second deadlock of the game. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Diala. Primo. Bang, bang, bang. On Sergeant Primo. It's 11-8 now. 3-point lead natin na yun. Now, Gary. Gary, side step, skip, Gary. Yes, oh, Gary. Now 10-11. Nice move, nice touch. From Gary. Now, Musalpa. Looking for Diala. Diala drive, pick, Diala. It's 10 to shoot. Santos, short. Jackson. Yes, on Jackson. It's 12. Against 10. It's 3-point lead now. Ateneo. Now Gary. 14 to shoot. Bermudez. Back to Gary. 10. Too strong. Rebound on Diala. Santos, it's 4-on-1. Santos looking for Sergeant Primo. It's 15 to 10. Now Lee to Raboya, bang! Foul on Diala. First on Diala, second team foul on Ateneo. 2 free throw shot for Raboya. Short 4 minutes and 59 seconds. It's a 5-point lead on Ateneo. Short, rebound by Santos. Santos guarded by Lee. Now Diala. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Diala 1-1 by Manzano. Steal by Manzano. It's foul. Foul again on Diala. It's second personal foul on Diala. Third against Ateneo. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's Ateneo against Adamson. Bermudez, let me try. Bermudez, steal again by Ateneo. It's Musalpa to Sergeant Primo. Open jump again. Sergeant Primo. Now 17 to 10. It's 7-point lead on Ateneo. Steal again by Jackson. It's Jackson time. Jackson move. Jackson left-handed good. Short. Rebound by Lee. It's foul. Foul again on. Timeout rep. Timeout. Foul on Diala. Warning for penalty on Ateneo. Third. Against Diala. And the timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. 2B. And we're back. Abu Dhabi. 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Fourth personal foul on Diala. Warning on Ateneo.
Tatlo, Diala, tatlo.
Now Manzano. Raboya. In and out. Raboya again. Block! Wala block kami pa Musalpa. It's 14 to shoot. Right time and right place by Musalpa. Lee. Bang! You can Garmele! Now 13 to 17. It's 4-point lead after Ateneo. Now Sergeant Primo looking for Diala. Busalpa. 14 to shoot. Primo, Sergeant Primo again! Bang, bang, bang! On Sergeant Primo, it's 20 against 213. 7-point lead after Ateneo. Now Gary. Looking for Manzano, outside, Birmones, let me try to throw the ball again by Musalpa looking for Sergeant Primo, 2-1, Black, rebound by Santos, bang! Basket count and 1 on Santos, foul on Lee. First personal foul on Lee, second on Adamson, it's 21 against 213, 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Santos. Rebound on Raboya. Now Raboya. Looking for Gary. Nice pass outside. It's Manzano. Bang! Manzano is 15 to 21. 6-point lead on Ateneo. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Busalpa. Looking for Sergeant Primo. Now cut off Santos. Nice defense. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Santos. Air ball. Oh, it's technical foul. Oh, number 11 naman Manzano. It's only technical foul. It's person Manzano. Third on Adamson. 22-15. It's 7-point lead now on Ateneo. 2 minutes and 10. Now Sergeant Primo. Looking for Busalpa. For 3. First try. Shot. 10 to shoot. Santos. Primo. It's 3-second violation on the ala. 1 minute and 53 seconds. First quarter. First game for RU. AAP Season 4 by Basketballista. Ali. Birmones. Drive. Raboya. Too strong top on Santos. It's still by Lee. Santos again. It's Busalpa. 4-on-2. Busalpa drive. Whoa! What a move coming from Busalpa. It's 24-15, 9-point lead against Ateneo. Birmones. Boom. Short. Rebound on Busalpa. 1 minute and 10. Now Jackson. Out. Turnover on Ateneo. 1 minute. It's Manzano. Manzano time. Manzano. Let by Mountain 17 against 24. It's 7-point lead on Ateneo. 58 seconds. Short. 45 seconds. One stop. 35 seconds. Gary. Scoop. Short. The ball again by Gary. Stop. Gary bang. Bang. So easy now. 24-19. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 10. Too strong. Birmones. Baseball pass. Manzano. It's 21-24. And now for first quarter score. It's 24-21, only 3-point lead by Ateneo. And this first quarter is brought to you by Orange Sports, Basketballista, and Toyota, Abu Dhabi.
Oy, pagsot kayo ha. Kahit isa lang tumalon.
Kaya kayo, siyam lang. Para may maabot, darating pa.
Number 7 lang. Jeff, number 7 ha.
It's Ateneo ball, Adamson ball, Adamson. Warning on number 19. Or smiling. Now Kinichu. Towards first position, first turnover on Adamson. Now Adamson will let the play. Sagon. It's guarded by the Yo-Yo man, Sagon. It's Ateneo ball, back-to-back turnover on both teams. Now Kinichu Pikachu. Looking for Yo-Yo man, back to Kinichu Pikachu. Jab. Jeffrey, back to Kinichu. Kinichu Pikachu, drive, take the shoot. Yo-Yo man, yo man, it's up by Jeffrey, top, Jeffrey, black. Oh! It's Jeffrey. 24-23, 1 point lead. Ateneo. Fake. Now Valeriano. Pass to Sagon. Sagon, move, Sagon. Too strong, nice defense on Jug. Now Kinichu Pikachu. Whoa, Kinichu side step. Back to Jeffrey. Jeffrey stop. Pick, turn, Jeffrey. In and out. Rebound on Ateneo. Now Valeriano. It's Ateneo. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. 1 point lead against Ateneo. Now Sagon, guarded by Yo-Yo man. Sagon, let escape, looking for Jackson. Back to Jackson pick. Oh! And miscommunication again by Ateneo. It's Jeffrey. Yo-Yo man, 3-on-2. Pass to Jeffrey. Yeah! Now 1 point lead on Adamson. It's 25-24. 8 minutes remaining time on the second quarter. Valeriano to Thunderboy. Nice fake! It's first turnover of the Thunderboy. It's 25-24. Now Kinichu Pikachu. Looking for Yo-Yo man. Top beside Jeffrey. Steal. Now Jeffrey pick. Now blocked by Valeriano. Now steal again by Ateneo. It's a ball. Nice defense against Yo-Yo man. 14 to set clock. 7 minutes and 30. Pikachu. Jump. 10 to shoot. It's 3 seconds violation on number 19 on tour. 7 minutes now remaining time. 25 against 24. All by Adamson. It's a 4-0 run coming from Adamson. Now Sagon. Guarded by Yo-Yo man, looking for Valeriano, 1-on-1 now, Valeriano, let me do it, Valeriano, oh, by Jag, 3-on-1, Yo-Yo man, looking for Valeriano, Jag, oh, turnover again, it's 3-on-2, Jag, Tour, Sagon, where are you, Yo-Yo man, Sagon, let the fly, Sagon, foul, oh, basket count and 1, on Sagon. Foul on number 17. 27 on Jag. First on Jag. First on Adamson. It's 26 against 25. Bonus free throw coming from Sagon. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Now 2-point lead now. Ateneo 27-25. Now Pikachu, Kinichu, drive, pass to Jeffrey. Yes, Border and Jeffrey now 27 all. Fourth dead leg of the game. Sagon, 6 minutes. Sagon side is foul. It's lefting violation. Turnover again. Now natin tayo. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Inbounding tour to Kinichu Pikachu. Now, ano ka? Yo-Yo Man looking for tour back to Yo-Yo Man. Too many passes coming from Anderson. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, Sagon guarded by Yo-Yo Man, 1-on-1. Sagon again, escape, pick. Jackson, open, short, top, rebound. Now on tour. Looking for the Yo-Yo Man, 3-on-3, tour, looking for tour, pow! All number 7 on Valeriano. Was spotted. Up all number 12. On Jackson. First, Ateneo. First personal foul against Jackson. It's 5 minutes. Yes, I shot by Tour. Now 28. Against 27. 1 point lead on Adamson. Now Sagon. Sagon again, 1-on-1. 10 to shoot. Valeriano. Nice defense on Pikachu. Pikachu Chiquito. Head step. Pikachu move. Short rebound on Jag. Jag again. No by Jag. Short by Jag. Wow. Easy jumper by Jag. Now 30 to 27. It's 3-point lead on Adamson. 4 minutes. Yo, the Thunder Boy. 29 to 30. It's 1 point lead on Adamson. Pikachu. Block by Jackson. 10 to shoot. Wow. TROH. It's 2. 32 to 29. Now foul. Foul on 08 on Yo-Yo Man. Timeout. On Ateneo. It's second team foul on Adamson first. On the Yo-Yo Man. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. 32 against the 29. All by Adamson.
Sini muna kami.
It's Adamson ball. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Now Jackson.
Rep.
Zara.
Thunderboy. 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Pikachu. Kinichu. Ah, nice foul. Turnover again on 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Now Thunderboy. Thunderboy now looking for Jackson. Jackson drive left handed short, too strong top. It's Jag. Jag looking for Kinichu Pikachu. 1-on-1. Kinichu to Tour. Looking for Jeffrey. Bang! 34 to 29. It's 5 point lead on Adamson. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Now Sagon. Sagon drive. Guarded by Yo-Yo Man. Big. Sagon, let me try. Short rebound again by Tour. 1-on-1. Yo-Yo Man. It's Yo-Yo Man looking for Pikachu. Kinichu. Side step for the Yo-Yo Man. Black by Valeriano. It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Tour. Too strong. Now Pikachu reset shot clock 14. Pikachu again. Reset. Time to shoot. Tour. Pikachu. Yes, on Kininjo Pikachu. 36. Against 29. It's 7-point lead on Adamson. Now Sagun. Side step. Turnover again on Ateneo. It's 1 minute and 45 seconds. Baseball pass. Pikachu, Kinichu looking for... nice defense by Jackson. Tour. Jang. 1 minute and 30. Now Valeriano. Whoa, Valeriano. Hang time by Valeriano. It's 20-31 to 36. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Wonderful. Coming from Valeriano. 14 to shoot. Pikachu. Kinichu. 10 to shoot. Tour. Drive. Looking for Jang. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Valeriano. First on Valeriano. Second team foul. At ngayon. 2 free throw shot coming from Jang. Nice shot coming by Jag. It's 37 to 31. 6-point lead on Adamson. Now 7-point lead on Adamson. It's 38 against 31. Now Valeriano. 14 to shoot. Valeriano drive. Foul. Foul on number 27 on Jag. 13 foul against Adamson. First on Jag. 36 seconds. Second. 10 to shoot. Second foul. Foul again on number 27 on Jag. Second on Jag. Warning for penalty against Adamson. It's 23 seconds.
Pre, ubos oras, pre. 24 naman eh.
32 to 38.
Marami yata tayo.
Ayan, sorry, 3 on Jackson. 38 to 32, 23 seconds.
Mag-shot tayo.
Jeffrey, top. It's same ball, 19 seconds, 19.
Ubusin mo na.
14.
Matagal pa.
10.
5 seconds shot.
Nice pass to Doug. Block.
Walang tawag.
And now for second quarter score, it's 38 against 32.
Oh, kota tayo. Balance tayo, balance. Balance muna tayo, balance. Bawas tayo, sir. Mabalance natin, sir. Inayop. Balance muna tayo, sir. Mabalance nyo.
Kaya nga, dapat wala eh. No, okay lang yun. Kailan ba sa'yo?
Last 10 kami ha. Parehas. Last 10 kami. O, Polipid.
Tuloy mo na.
Chika-chika pa kasi itong babae. No? Chika-chika pa. Kasi yung jersey, no? Anong usapan natin? Sige lang.
Usapan natin pag meron na yung isa.
Corrado ka dyan. Kasi yung isa...
Penalty. Ano usapan? Pag nandun na yung...
Wala tayong usapan ng penalty
Okay,
yan.
andun tayo. Kumain tayo pagkabot ng maroon.
Kasi kay Santos eh.
Pre, pwede ba technical yung natamaan ka tapos gaganon siya na buti nga. Ano yun? Sumabihan ako. Buti nga. Ay, pag ganun na yun.
Uy, Ram!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, 100.
Yung short niya yung Navarro ha. At saka yung kay ano.
Oh.
Grabe yun. Grabe ang pera. Utang mo na Brad. Wala.
Wala sila ba to?
Wala. Kaya kasi namantala kami ng kalaban ngayon.
80.
Ha?
210.
Oh, parehas kami ng bayad no. 220 sa akin ha.
Budget ako dito.
Oh.
Plus 5 tayo. Plus 5 tayo, Adamson. Plus 5.
220 binigay ko ha. 210. Duling ba ako o ikaw?
It's Ateneo ball, Ateneo. Kulang kayo. Siyam na kayo. Plus 5 sila. Ha? Mamaya, may... Okay, naipalik ko. Ateneo, Ateneo. Change court, change court. Third quarter.
Sino na next game?
Now Sagun. Short. Sampu kayo? Sino? Foul! Foul on Sagun. First on Ateneo.
Hoy, masano ka, hindi ka uy.
Second on Sagun. Yan ang score.
Ito, second quarter.
Ilang score mo dito?
Di ba pinatayo mo ako?
Ilan ang... 38 yung kana plus 5. Wala ka, kulang kayo. O, kulang. 10 dapat 10. 38 plus 5.
32.
Now 42 to 32, 10-point lead on Adamson. 43 against to 32. 11-point lead now on Adamson. It's third quarter. Ateneo against Adamson. Now Busalpa. Valeriano, drive, Valeriano too strong. Rebound by Raboya. It's Kinichu, Pikachu, 2 on 3. Kinichu, fake. Kinichu, let me try. In and out, top. Rebound on Busalpa. It's Diana. Yes, on Diana. It's 34 against to 43. 9.3. Steal again by Busalpa. Busalpa drive, turn. Busalpa fake. Busalpa short. Rebound on Santos. Averiano. It's same ball. 40% shot clock. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. 43 against to 34. Sagon. Drive. Steal by Pikachu. Diretso. Manzano. Looking for Amar. Abdulaziz. Raboya. Now on Santos. Santos again. Santos. It's 1-1. Santos guarded by Raboya. Big jumper. Open jumper. Bang. Short. Rebound by Luna. Now Luna. It's 3 on 3. Raboya. Drive. Raboya. Bang. Raboya. It's 45.
Against to 34. Back to 11-point lead on Adamson. Now Sagon. Take. Looking for Santos. Sagon, 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Bonakid.
Batang may laban.
Oh, Manzano! It's 37 against the 47. Only 10-point lead on Adamson. Now Sagon. Looking for Busalpa. Sagon again. Pay. Guarding by Pikachu. Kinichu. 10 to shoot. Busalpa. Escape. Busalpa again. Santos. Whoa! Now 39. Against the 47. It's only 8-point lead against Adamson. Now Kinichu Pikachu. Looking for Luna. Luna, big. Hesitate. Sidestep. Luna. Too strong by Luna. Top. Raboya. Raboya. It's out. Out of number 18. On Santos. Second team foul natin tayo. Second against Santos. Busalpa. It's 3-on-1. No, still. Busalpa again. Looking for Ragendo number at 10 tayo. It's 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Only 8-point lead on natin tayo. Raboya. Bang! Raboya. 49 to 39. It's 6 minutes and 20. Now Diala. Busalpa. First 3-point shot, short. Top. Busalpa again. Valeriano. Bang! Basket cannon, one-on by Valeriano. Foul on Raboya. First team foul on Adamson. First against Raboya. 6 minutes.
Parang 3 points din.
Now 42 against the 49, 7-point lead on Adamson. Now Pikachu, Kichu. Guarded by Sagon. 14 to shoot. Manzano, 10. Luna. Take. Luna, let me try. Block by Santos. 5 seconds. Foul. It's foul on Busalpa. First on Busalpa, third against Ateneo.
14 tayo, 14.
Raboya, tampay Santos. Now Valeriano. It's Valeriano time. Valeriano time. Valeriano to throw. Lipat by Santos. Bang on Santos. It's 44. Against the 49. It's 5-point lead now. On Adamson. Raboya. What a play coming from. Still again for assist. Manzano. Hey. Manzano foul. Foul on number 2. On Sagon. Warning for penalty on natin na yun. Third. First on Sagon. It's 5 minutes.
Pili na mag-sub. Sub?
Basket substitution darap.
Counter. Counter.
Oo, ganito.
Sublet of substitution, 53. Against the 44, it's 9-point lead. Back to Adamson. Now Sagon. Looking for Diala. Guarded by the assist. It's 3 seconds tayo. Substitution na. Trap. Substitution. Now it's Kinichu. Pikachu.
Natin.
It's 12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Amansano, 10 to shoot. Pikachu. Luna. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Luna, it's 57-44. 13-point lead ng Adamson. Pusalpa to Valeriano. Valeriano guarded by Luna. It's Pusalpa. Pusalpa, third time, second shot. Top. Rebound of Santos. Sergeant Primo, 14 to set shot clock. Valeriano. Nice defense by Jeffrey. Diala. Manzano. It's Manzano. It's 3-1. It's still by Pusalpa. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Third quarter, 3 minutes. It's 57 against the 44. All by Anderson.
Ay.
2 minutes.
10 to shoot. In and out. Top. Rebound on Diala. In Sergeant Primo. 46 to 57. It's 11-point lead on Anderson. 3 minutes. Pikachu, Kinicho, looking for Marco assist. Luna. Luna long three. Short. Top. It's Valeriano. Sergeant Primo. Wow, what a pass. Coming Sergeant Primo. Time out. On Adamson, it's 57-48. 9-point lead on Adamson. And 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista.
Wala.
Back to the game.
Mike, wala talaga.
Nakita mo si Manzano. Nakita mo nang nangangagat.
Mahinang nila lang. Ano na naman? Ito napaka-demanding eh.
Now, Pikachu. Pass to Luna, same spot. Jeffrey, long two, too strong. Valeriano. It's Valeriano, guarded by Jeffrey. Valeriano, coast to coast. Valeriano, shot. Luna. It's Luna time. To Jeffrey. Pikachu, Kinichu. It's Soto, Pikachu, top, take. Too strong, top. Pikachu again. Pikachu, Kinichu. 1-on-1, side step. Block behind by Santos. Luna, 10 to shoot. Luna, airball, rebound again. Oh, jog. Let me try. Too strong short. Santos. 2 minutes. Now, Pusalpa. Fourth time. Back to back. By Pusalpa. It's Pusalpa again. Pusalpa, let me do it. And the air on Pusalpa. It's 57 to 57-point lead on Anderson. 1 minute and 41 seconds. All by Anderson. Pikachu, Kinichu. Jeffrey. Black. Luna. Short again by Luna. Luna again. Luna. 59 to 57, 9-point lead. Oh, Natanayo. Time out. Oh, Natanayo, it's 59 against 50. All by Adamson. 1 minute and 18 seconds.
Kung meron isa.
Okay. Now, Sagon, 1 minute and 10. Sagon, Sergeant Primo, short, jog rebound. Now, Yo-Yo Man, it's Yo-Yo Man. Guarded by Sergeant Primo. 1-on-1, Yo-Yo Man, grab, Yo-Yo Man looking for... Bang! Jeffrey! 61 to 50, 45 seconds. Sara, all the way from Sara, it's 61 to 52, 35 seconds. Top, Jeffrey, 1-on-1, nice defense by Jackson. It's kickball, 25 seconds, 25. Now Sagon, 20 seconds. Sergeant Primo, Valeriano. Whoa, 5 seconds. Luna.
Bang, bang.
Short. And for third quarter, our score, 61 against the 54, 7-point lead Adamson. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter.
Pati tubig ha, pinsa ng alalay.
Technical dapat sa every na.
Fourth quarter tayo. Last quarter. And our next game will be our inter-province category. Negros versus Bisdak. Now Kinichu Pikachu. Lee. Oh, turnover against Adamson. It's 61 against the 54. 7-point lead on Ateneo. Oh, Adamson. Sagon. Nice defense on Pikachu Kinichu.
Pensa, baba na!
Now Kinichu Pikachu. Looking for Yo-Yo Man. Raboya. Same ball. It's 14 to shoot. Raboya. Kinichu Pikachu. Lee.
Bang, bang.
Bang. Lee. Sara, short, Raboya. It's Kinichu, Pikachu, roll, Pikachu! Short, rebound. It's Ateneo ball, Ateneo. 8 minutes and 37 seconds. Last quarter. Now Valeriano. It's offensive foul. On Valeriano. First team foul na Ateneo. Second on number 7 on Valeriano. Raboya. Too strong by Raboya. Diana. Third. Looking for the Thunder Boy. Short with the Thunder Boy. It's Manzano. Guarded by Sagon. 1-on-1. Nice defense. It's Adamson ball. Same ball. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 64 against the 54. 10-point lead on Adamson. Manzano. Foul. It's foul on number 18 on Sara. Sabi na sa rep. Sara. First personal foul on Sara. First against Ateneo.
Pre, labas, labas.
Now, Kinichu Pikachu. 10 to shoot. Lee. Black by Busalba. Yo-Yo Man. Back lead. 5 to shoot. 24 shot clock para Lighton in 7 minutes.
Uy, tirang mo.
Wala pong shoot.
54 to 64. It's 10-point lead on Allison. Sagon. Now, alam mo ba yung Sagon? Top. Rebound on Diala, pick. Diala. Yes on Diala. 56 to 64. 8-point lead on Allison. Foul. Foul on number 2. On Sagon, second team foul on Ateneo, third against Sagon. Foul, oh, unsportsmanlike foul. On number 11 on Manzano.
Manzano second.
Second personal foul on Manzano. Manzano out of the game. Manzano out of the game. Manzano. Now 57-64, 7-point lead now Adamson. It's 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Pito na lang, pito. Now Sagon. Long three. Short. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Valeriano. Third. Against Ateneo. Third personal foul on Valeriano.
Third. Third na. Step penalty. Dalawa pa po. Dalawang foul pa.
Now Pikachu. Luna. Bang! Nothing but net coming from Luna. 66 to 57. It's 9-point lead back again to Adamson. Now Diana. Sagon. Same spot. Bang, bang, bang! On Sagon in 16-66. 6-point lead now on Adamson. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. Yo-Yo Man. In and out. Raraboya. Again Luna. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 20. Now Pikachu. Luna. Short. Rebound on Santos. Now Sagon. The kid, dab, the kid. Pow. Foul on number 29 on Luna. First against Luna. Second against Adamson. 2 free throw shot coming from the kid, Sagon. 6 na lang, 6. Basket substitution na pa. Wala pa, sir. Now, 61 to 66, 5-point lead on Adamson. 4 minutes. Substitution left. Now, 62 to 66, 4-point lead on Adamson. It's Adamson against Ateneo. Pass to John. Guarded by 3. John. It's jump ball. It's Ateneo ball. Ateneo. Ateneo ball. Ateneo.
Pre, 4 na lang, oh. Depensa tayo. 1-2. Walang kita matira.
Now, Busalba. Nice defense by John. 14 to shoot. Busalba. Looking for Diala. Santos. Diala. Oh, scared for Diala. Top. Santos again. Santos. 64 to 62 points lead now. Oh, Adamson. 3 minutes and 10. Kirichu. 3 minutes.
Defense.
Luna.
Offense.
Yoyoman. Raboya. Oh, Raboya. 68 to 64. Back to 4 point lead Adamson. 2 minutes and 50. Sagon. Busalpa. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. 2 strong. Ah, Luna. It's Luna. Guarded by Pikachu. Pikachu nice. 4-2. Pikachu fake. Pikachu. Nice pass. Raboya. It's 17 to 64. 6 point lead on Adamson. Sagon. Drive. Move. The kid. Short. Raboya. Now Pikachu. It's Pikachu time. Pikachu guarded by the kid. Move. Pikachu fake. Pikachu. Pikachu. Rebound on Busalpa. It's Busalpa looking for Santos. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Santos with the kid now. The kid guarded by Luna. 1-1. Got it. It's jump ball. Adamson ball. Time out. On Ateneo. It's 17 to 64. 6 point lead on Adamson. One minute and 43 seconds. One minute and 43 seconds. Now Pikachu, Kirichu. Guarded by Sergeant Primo. Ah, nice defense on Sergeant Primo. 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Ito naman.
The kid drives. Corner pocket. Airball. Raboya. It's Kinichu, Pikachu. Pikachu, Kinichu looking for top. Ah, what a selfish play coming from the Yo-Yo Man to Luna. It's 72 to 64. 8 point lead on Adamson. Nice steal. It's same ball. Same ball. 1 minute. What a play coming from Adamson. Yo-Yo Man to Luna. The kid. Short. Sara. Oh, Yo-Yo Man. It's Yo-Yo time. Ah, intercept. Pikachu, Kirichu, Yo-Yo Man. The kid. 1-1. The Yo-Yo Man. The sub ball is Ateneo ball. Ateneo.
Sige lang, wala na.
45 seconds.
Wala lang tayong tres ha, wala lang tayong tres.
72 to 64. Sergeant Primo. Guarded by the Yo-Yo Man. Ah, nice defense on the Yo-Yo Man. It's Luna. President Luna. 74 to 64. It's 10 point lead now on Adamson. The key. Side step. Short. Bang, 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 bang on the key. 67 to 74. 15 seconds.
Wala na yan, wala na. Shoot nyo! Shoot mo! Nice game tayo, nice game.
Pardon?
Another game, our score 74 against 67. Adamson.